Hi guys, how are you all? Guys, this is a very special conversation with you today. And in fact, this will not be the only conversation. What I intend to do is create a lot of episodes on this, guys. Now, what am I going to talk about? Guys, it all started with me when once we all use social media, don't we? Guys, one friend of mine was very active on social media, and she used to post all the kind of photographs, all stories, all vacations, and I was really jealous of her. Like, she had a wonderful life, happy life, and she used to post this kind of things like every alternate day, every 3 or 4 days, and I used to wonder as to how can a person have a happy life for 365 days a year. And guys, I always used to post it like, good, jackass, wonderful, happy to see you, happy. Once she replied back to me on my private conversation saying that, things are very different in reality than what we see in pics. Now, it has not happened to me only once. I do take lectures, guys, and a lot of times when I go in my classes, I see a lot of students, I observe them over the number of years because I get opportunity to teach them for like 4 to 5 years together. A lot of students who are like very chirpy, very talkative, with 3 or 4 years down the line, they go into a shell. They don't open up, they don't talk, they don't ask doubts in classes. Now, guys, that's what I'm talking about. Last week, we saw a greatly successful actor, I would rather say, committing suicide. Looked great on movies, looked great with fundamentals, had a lot of money, had a lot of fame. And then we start wondering as to why, how come, what was the need? Now, I really don't know what people's mentality are. But I have seen this in the past also when it has happened before. And, I like couple of years ago, I posted on my Facebook wall saying that, this is a disease. And if anybody wants to talk to me, I'm 24/7 available to that person. But the question was, now I'm asking myself, is just writing on that Facebook wall that I will be available 24/7 to talk, will it solve the problem? Yes, I'm talking about, guys, mental stress, depression. These are so-called words right now in our world, and it is as big as a disease which COVID-19 is right now, which malaria, influenza is right now. Malaria, influenza has got medicines. People do accept. When we talk to somebody, kya ho gaya bhai teko? And sir, malaria ho gaya. Acha, theek hai. But a person who is facing this depression or stress, he is not even open to it because people start laughing on it. In fact, I am guilty of it. When in my college days, there used to be one friend and he used to say, I need time for myself. And we used to laugh as to what is he talking about. But guys, today when I see this disease has grown, particularly, guys, this disease is growing in school kids, in college kids. I am a CA faculty. This is growing in CA as a profession. And then I wonder as to how should we get rid of it? How should we get rid of it? Now, I started searching about it and I got to know, guys, this is not a small thing that I'm talking with you. There are 8 lakh suicides a year. That is 1 in every 40 seconds. Now, this is not a small thing. And, this is huge. Apart from that 8 lakh, I don't know how many of them are really facing this mental depression and mental stress. Guys, here I will be talking about series of things here. But first thing that I want to start with today, guys, is by telling institutes, by telling educational institutes, that is schools, the colleges, the ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants, the other professional body institutes, as to have one course on mental fitness. I'm particularly talking about CAs because they take, trainings. They take personality trainings. They take computer trainings like IT and all. Why can't we have MT? That is mental training. When I was way back in school, guys, there was a class known as PT, physical training. Nowadays, classes are there in schools like yoga. Yes, they all help you there. But why not have a specific class? Why don't we accept that we have some issues with mentality as well? So why can't we have a class known as mental training? MT. आज कौन सा क्लास है? MT क्लास है. MT is not EMPTY, MT is MT, that is mental training. We should have a class on mental training. We should be trained, because we are not trained at all how to handle pressures. People do put pressures, but they don't tell you how to handle them, and we are not equipped for it. Today, cricketers have mental coaches, footballers have mental coaches, sports have started having this mental training sessions. Why can't we have mental training sessions in school? Guys, the core is, let's start the training right from the, kind of when we are in school, when we are in college, when we are into professional examinations. Today, I will not be mincing my words, and I will tell you guys, every 1 in 5 students in CA are facing this. We get calls randomly every day, sir, exam aa raha hai, stress aa raha hai. How to face it? What are the symptoms? How do we know we are suffering it? Over the series of episodes, guys, I'm going to be talking about this. In the meantime, you want to have any discussions with me, please post your comments here and I can take it up in the next session to come. But let us open up our eyes. Guys, this is even to parents. When I look at kids, they go for, huge classes nowadays. The school, this class, that class, that class, that class. Now, there is pressure. But who is going to teach them that it's okay if you don't perform well? So let us talk over the series of it. I'll tell you about the symptoms of the stress. I tell you the causes of the stress. I'll also tell you how to overcome the stress. But it's my deep kind of a thought process that I'm going to write to a lot of institutions as to start a class known as mental training, guys. What do you say about it? Hannah? Good. So guys, wait for my next episode. Thank you.